In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly schedule a meeting using Calendly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides. First, log into your Calendly account and head to the home page. At the top left, click on Create to start a new event. A panel will appear where you can customize all your meeting details. Start by giving your meeting a clear name so invitees know the purpose right away. Then choose the meeting duration, whether it's 15, 30 or 60 minutes, or set a custom length that works for you. Next, select your meeting location. You can easily connect platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, and Calendly will handle the setup in the background. If you want, add extra details like a description, agenda, or participant limits. You can even set buffer times between meetings to avoid back-to-back scheduling. Once everything looks good, click Save and Calendly will generate a meeting link for you. Share this link with your participants and they can book instantly. No endless back and forth emails. And that's it. You've scheduled your meeting in just a few clicks. Calendly makes scheduling effortless and stress-free. Subscribe for more helpful tips.